Dino Mountain Island.
Animal Mechanical Mission Time!
Good morning, Animal Mechanicals.
Good morning, Island Owl.
Very big mission today.
All right.
Great!
Yeah!
Your destination is Dino Mountain Island.
Cool! A dinosaur mountain.
The dinosaur has a cog stuck in its teeth, and it's giving it a very bad toothache.
Ouch! Poor dinosaur.
Your mission is to go all the way up to the top of Dino Mountain.
The top? The tippy top?
Yes. Then remove the cog from the dino's tooth. Mechana, can you do it?
We Animal Mechanical can!
Let's go!
Yes!
Here we are, Dino Mountain Island.
Whoa! The Dino Mountain is really tall.
It's not really tall. It's really, really tall.
Come on, Sasquatch.
Fascinating. The Dino Mountain spine is an escalator.
All we need to do is hop on for a ride to the top.
We're not going up.
And we're running as fast as we can.
If you observe, you will notice that instead of going up, these stairs are going down.
What do you mean?
I mean, whatever you do, don't stop.
Don't what?
Ooh, stop. Don't stop.
Oh, why didn't you say so?
Whoa!
How are we supposed to go up a down escalator?
It's impossible. We should go home.
Nothing's impossible for animal mechanicals.
It's a challenge.
And challenges are fun.
We just have to find a way to make the stairs go up instead of down.
Maybe that big green button does something.
The arrow on the button goes up.
Do you think the button makes the escalator go up?
Yes. So all we have to do is press the button.
Nothing happened.
The escalator is still going down.
Look at this.
A big red button.
The dinosaur is stepping on it.
What's it do?
I am unsure. But whatever it does, it is going to keep doing it until we can stop the Dino Mountain's foot from pushing it down.
Down! That's it! This must be the down button.
Right. That's why the escalator keeps going down. Because the Dino Mountain keeps on pushing it.
Yeah, right.
Therefore, we merely need to lift this foot.
Too heavy.
Who's strong enough to lift it?
I'm the animal mechanical for this job, Rex. Mechana Strong!
Strong like a titanium tyrannosaurus.
push the up button and...
The escalator goes up.
Yeah! Woo! All right, let's ride!
To the top. Yay!
The top!
Yeah!
The tippy top. Whoa!
Wow!
What a view! Let's get that cog out of the dinosaur's tooth.
Yikes! Whoa! It's so high up here, I can't look down.
Sasquatch?
Ah! Oh, it's you, Mouse. Phew.
What's wrong?
All right, I'll admit it. I'm scared of heights. There, I said it.
That's okay. Everybody is afraid of something. You can hold my hand if you want to.
Thanks, Mouse. We can do this.
The cog's right down there. All we have to do is reach down and...
Too far for me. That's quite a stretch.
Me too. Who's stretchy enough to reach down there?
Did someone say stretch?
Huh? You must be hearing things.
Don't worry, Sasquatch. We'll all help you. And I won't tell anyone that you're afraid of heights.
You're afraid?
Me? Afraid? No way. Whoa! Tippy top! I can do this! Bring it on! Sasquatch! Mythical stretchy! Hold me tight. Here I go.
Stretchy like a big rubber monkey.
Woohoo! Stretch, Sasquatch! Stretch!
How's it going down there, Sasquatch?
Just a little bit further. Yikes! Tippy top, tippy top. I can do this. Okay, Cog. Out you go. Got it! Pull me up!
Woohoo! Yes! Animal Mechanicals mission accomplished.
Thanks to Sasquatch.
Aw, I had lots of help.
I just thought of something. The escalator got us up. But how are we supposed to get down?
The down button is at the bottom, and we're at the top.
The Dino Mountain says he can help. Look, a super slide. Awesome. Thanks, Dino Mountain.
Woohoo! Yes! Looks like we're sliding down.
Sasquatch, are you afraid to slide down?
No, I'm not afraid to slide down. But I'd much rather bounce down. Woohoo!
Well, what are we waiting for? Time for a super slide ride. McKenna, can we do it?
We Animal Mechanical can!
Turbo Bean Trouble.
Animal Mechanical mission time!
Good morning, Animal Mechanicals.
Good morning, Island Owl.
Very big mission today.
The bigger, the better.
Your destination is Turbo Bean Island.
What's that?
It's a turbo bean. Very impressive.
Yes, and it's Turbo Bean planting season. Your mission is to plant the Turbo Bean.
Plant a bean? That doesn't sound like a very big mission.
Oh, you might be surprised. You see, Turbo Beans do not like being touched. They get a little frisky.
Frisky? What does that mean?
Frisky, playful, lively, full of beans.
It means you have a frisky Turbo Bean to plant. McKenna, can you do it?
We
Animal Mechanical can!
Let's go!
Yes!
Ooh.
Turbo Bean Island. Has anyone seen the Turbo Bean?
There it is!
Great! Let's go!
Aha! The turbo bean.
Huh! The mighty Sasquatch planting a piddly old bean.
No job is too big or too small for Animal Mechanicals.
Yeah, it'll be super awesome. I love planting things.
Okay, what's the first thing we need to do?
Beans need to be planted in the ground to grow. So we need to...
I know. Dig a hole.
That is a very big bean. So we will need to dig a very deep hole.
Who's the best digger?
I'm the Animal Mechanical for this job, Rex! McKenna Strong! One turbo bean hole coming up.
Strong like a titanium Tyrannosaurus.
I love watching Rex dig holes.
Now to plant this bean. I'll just pick it up and...
Rex, remember what the island owl said? Turbo beans do not like being... touched.
Whoa!
Look out!
Double turbo blasters. Impressive.
Ha! Missed me.
After that bean!
Yeah!
Don't worry about me. I'm fine.
Where's that bean?
Look! It's up in that conch tree.
Too high for me.
Me too.
Who can reach way up there and grab that bean?
Wait a minute. I can reach anything. Behold, Sasquatch. McKenna Stretchy.
Stretch, Sasquatch. He's super stretchy.
Stretchy like a big rubber monkey.
Almost got it.
Keep stretching.
Watch this super stretch. Come to Sasquatch, Bean.
Yeah!
Uh-oh.
Triple turbo blasters. Very impressive.
Well, you don't see that every day.
How are we going to catch a bean with triple turbo blasters?
I calculate it's impossible.
Nothing's impossible for animal mechanicals.
Animal mechanicals never give up.
Because when things get tough,
We team up.
Let's go! There is one way to catch a turbo bean trap. First, we cover up the bean hole with cogs. Then we chase the bean to it. It'll fall right in.
Who would be foolish enough to fall in there?
Whoa!
Ow!
Phew, that was close.
Speak for yourself.
We need someone to chase that bean to the trap.
Who's fast enough to do that?
There is someone.
Who?
oh, me! Right, I can be fast. Mouse! McKenna fast! I'll get you, Bean.
She's fast.
Fast like a rocket.
Uh-oh, the bean's way up in the sky.
We need to chase it back down here.
I can't fly.
Neither can I.
Did someone say fly? Unicorn! McKenna fly!
Woohoo! Chase it to me, Unicorn. I'll help you.
Down goes the bean! After it, Mouse!
I'm on it.
Quick, stop that bean! Hands out! Gotcha! Now you're safe in your hole so you can grow.
Awesome!
Yay!
We did it! We planted the turbo bean.
Animal mechanicals, mission accomplished!
Yay!
Yeah!
That was big fun.
Even though it was just a piddly old bean?
Well, like I always say, there's no job too big or too small for animal mechanicals.
I just had a thought.
What?
Well, what do you get when you plant a turbo bean?
Whoa! More turbo beans to plant! McKenna, can we do it?
We animal mechanical can!
Whale Plain Island.
Animal mechanical mission time!
Good morning, animal mechanicals.
Good morning, Island Owl.
Very big mission today.
Just the way we like them.
Your destination is Whale Plain Island. A jumbo giant whale plane is landing.
What's a whale plane?
Whale planes are like airplanes, only much bigger.
This whale plane is so big, the runway that's there now isn't long enough for it to land on. Your mission is to build a super long runway so the whale plane can land.
That sounds simple enough.
Maybe not. The whale plane is on its way, so you don't have much time. McKenna, can you do it?
We Animal Mechanical can!
Let's go!
Yes!
Here we are, Whale Plane Island.
This looks like a good place to build the new runway.
What do we do first?
We need something to build the runway with.
I wonder what's in this big crate.
It's full of rapid runway ribbon.
Rapid runway ribbon? Great! What's rapid runway ribbon?
Rapid runway ribbon is precisely what we need to build a runway. You'll see, we just have to get it out of the crate. It's quite heavy.
The mighty Sasquatch, making it happen! This stuff is heavy!
You're sitting on my head.
It will take a strong lifter to pick up that runway ribbon and carry it all the way over there.
Who's the strongest lifter?
I'm the animal mechanical for this job, Rex! McKenna Strong!
I love watching Rex move stuff.
This stuff doesn't taste too bad.
No time for a snack, Big Green Machine. The whale plane will be landing soon.
Okay.
Runway ribbon nails to nail the runway down. Excellent.
A little more this way. More. Stop.
I'll unroll it.
I'll hold down the end.
We'll get the next piece. Mouse, use your super ears to listen for the whale plane.
Mouse, making it happen.
Runway ribbon unrolled. That was easy.
Sasquatch, don't step up! Runway ribbon.
It's probably not a good idea to step off the runway ribbon. It rolls back up.
Oh, I noticed that. The runway ribbon will keep rolling back up unless we nail it down. Whoa!
Trouble?
We're having trouble holding down the runway ribbon.
We'll help.
But if we all just stand here, we'll never get the job done.
You don't need 4 animal mechanicals to do this job. You just need one mighty Sasquatch! McKenna Stretchy!
Good work, Sasquatch. Back to work, everyone.
I'll get the nails.
You need me to pound them?
No, no. Keep holding the runway ribbon down. I have the right tool for this job. Komodo! Makana Gizmo! Whoa. Hi-ya! No. No. Whoops. What are those doing in there? Aha! One mighty Makana hammer to the rescue! Cha!
Handy dandy tool time.
There. Done.
Nice teamwork, partner.
Hi-ya! Hee!
We have a lot more runway to build before the whale plane can land.
We can do this! I hear something!
Wow! The whale plane. It's coming.
But we haven't finished the runway.
Hey! Where's it going?
I don't think the whale plane knows where the new runway is.
Yoo-hoo! Whale plane, down here! Here's the runway! Come back! It's leaving.
It can't see us.
We need to find a way to get up to the whale plane and show it where to land.
Impossible. Even I can't stretch to the sky.
But nothing's impossible for animal mechanicals, right?
Animal mechanicals can do anything. Unicorn! McKenna fly!
Quick, everyone! We need to finish the runway before the whale plane gets here.
This way, whale plane!
She's using her magic horn to guide the whale plane to the runway.
Follow me!
The whale plane is landing. Get off the runway.
One more nail.
Please finish hammering. Pretty please.
Finished. Oh!
Oh! Whoa!
It worked. The whale plane has landed.
Animal Mechanicals, mission accomplished.
Yay!
I wonder what's inside the whale plane.
It appears we are about to find out.
More rapid runway ribbon.
Looks like we have more runways to build. Mechana, can we do it?
We Animal Mechanical can!
Bunny Boomer Island.
Animal Mechanical mission time!
Good morning, Animal Mechanicals.
Good morning, Island Owl!
Very big mission today.
Excellent!
Awesome!
Yay!
Your destination is Bunny Boomer Island. The bunnies need your help to build their bunny boomer.
Question. What is a bunny boomer?
Well, that's a surprise. You'll see.
A surprise! I love surprises.
Your mission is to help the bunnies build a bunny boomer. McKenna, can you do it?
We
Animal Mechanical can!
Let's go!
Yes!
Here we are, Bunny Boomer Island. Wow, those bunnies are pretty excited.
Look at all the cool blocks.
Oh, those are boom blocks. They must be for building the bunny boomer.
Come on, little bunnies. We're here to help you build your bunny boomer. Whatever that is.
Curious, why won't they come over here?
Doesn't matter. I'll bring the blocks to them.
I think the bunnies are trying to tell us something.
What are all these funny screws in the ground?
I suggest we stop and have a closer look.
Nothing stops Sasquatch.
Screw-top squirrels! Big trouble!
That's what the bunnies were trying to tell us.
They couldn't come to their blocks because the screw-top squirrels are in the way.
That might have been a mistake.
You're sitting on my tail.
How can we get the boom blocks to the bunnies so we can help them build their bunny boomer?
With all those screw-top squirrels in the way.
Is that a challenge? Because
Challenges are fun!
It's pounding time.
Sasquatch, I suggest you do not attempt to pound screw-top squirrels. Whoa! Missed me that time, big guy. Not good. Oh, I'm okay.
We need to stop those screwy screw-top squirrels from unscrewing.
The squirrels screw open, right?
right.
Maybe if we screw them shut really tight, they won't be able to unscrew.
Good idea! But we need some kind of tool to screw them tight.
Tool? Nope. No tools around here.
This is a job for Komodo! Mechanismo! Whoa! Hi-ya! No. No. Oh, that's where I left my lunch. Aha! One mighty mechanic screwdriver to the rescue!
Handy dandy tool time!
Yay! The screw-top squirrels are all screwed down. Yay!
I could have pounded them shut. Missed one. Now it's pounding time.
Sasquatch, no!
Sasquatch, making it happen.
What's happening?
It feels like an earthquake. Take cover!
Oopsie.
The boom block!
It's falling
We've got to catch the block, or the bunnies can't build their boomer.
It's too far away even for me to reach.
How can we catch the block?
Animal mechanicals can do anything! Unicorn! McKenna fly!
Wow! Unicorn is so cool!
Gotcha, block!
We got the block back! Yay!
Yes!
Look!
Whoa! Look at the bunnies go!
They're building their bunny boomer.
I wonder what a bunny boomer does.
The island owl said it'd be a surprise.
Everything all right, Sasquatch?
I kinda messed things up today. All I wanted to do was help.
Don't worry, pal. We'll find you something to pound.
Great! Thanks, Rex!
It looks like a giant bunny. What are they doing now?
It appears the bunnies are attempting to reach the bunny boomer's nose. Curious.
It's too high for little bunnies.
Who can reach way up there?
Wait a minute. There is someone. The mighty Sasquatch! McKenna Stretchy!
Stretchy like a big rubber monkey.
It won't push. It must be stuck.
Then it might just be pounding time.
Right! Pounding time!
The bunny boomer plays music. Fascinating.
Ah, a musical surprise.
We help the bunnies build their boomer.
Animal mechanicals, mission accomplished.
Mechanic, can we have a dance party?
We animal mechanical can!
Watch these smooth moves. Whoa!
Chickity Island.
Animal mechanical mission time!
Good morning, Animal Mechanicals.
Good morning, Island Owl.
Very big mission today.
Yeah!
Right.
Your destination is Chickity Island. It's egg-laying time.
Goody!
Your mission is to help Mama Chickadee make sure all her little chickadee eggs hatch.
We'll help.
You'd better hurry. The eggs are starting to hatch. McKenna, can you do it?
We animal mechanical can!
Let's go!
Yes!
island.
That is a very big chickadee.
I think she's going to lay an egg.
Whoa! Look, the egg is hatching. Beep, beep, beep.
It's flying to the birdhouse.
Everything seems to be running smoothly. I don't know why the island owl thought we needed to help.
I don't know. It looks like she's slowing down.
I think you're right, Sasquatch. Mama Chickadee is having trouble laying her next egg.
I believe I see the reason why. Her key is winding down.
And her key makes her go. Just like the keys on the baby chickadees. Beep, 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 beep. Beep, 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 beep.
It stopped.
We need to wind her key up for her.
I can't reach that high.
Neither can I.
Who can reach way up there?
Huh?
It's quite a stretch.
Wait a minute. I just had an idea. I can stretch up there. Stand aside and behold the mighty Sasquatch! Macana Stretchy!
Wow, that's stretchy.
Stretchy like a big rubber monkey.
Whoa!
You're almost there. Just a little further.
There's plenty more stretching Sasquatch. Watch this. Gotcha!
It's working. She's laying her egg.
Still too slow. This'll speed things up.
Sasquatch, it is not a good idea to wind that chickadee up anymore.
The windier, the faster. Just a few more turns. There!
I think you overwound her, Sasquatch.
Well, go on, Birdie. Lay your egg.
Whoa! That's the biggest egg I've ever seen.
I told you it wasn't a good idea to wind that bird up too much.
Forget it.
Uh-oh, the egg.
It's going to fall off the edge of the nest.
Catch it.
Got it.
Dropped it. It's hatching. Sort of.
We have to bring the egg back to the nest so it can finish hatching.
After that egg.
Grab it!
Don't let it go. Whoa!
The egg is running straight for the birdhouse.
It's going to crash right into it. Beep, beep, beep. Beep, 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 beep.
We've got to stop it, or we'll have a giant scrambled egg.
someone needs to catch it.
But who's fast enough?
Is that a challenge? Because Animal Mechanicals love a challenge. No! Mechana Fast!
Go, Mouse, go! Faster!
I can do this! Gotcha!
Yay!
The egg's gonna crash into us!
Ah! Run away!
Good work, Mouse.
Let's get the egg back on the nest.
It's too heavy.
Who's strong enough to lift it up?
I'm the animal mechanical for this job. Rex! Mechana Strong!
Yes! Rex is the strongest!
Strong like a titanium tyrannosaurus.
I love watching Rex lift heavy stuff.
It's heavy.
You can do it, Rex! Animal Mechanicals can do anything!
I can!
Rex did it!
Oh,
It's hatching!
Stand back. This is gonna be one big baby chickadee.
Aw, it's cute!
We helped hatch all the chickadees.
Animal Mechanicals, mission accomplished.
The big baby chickadee is too big to fit in its house.
Looks like we have a giant chickadee house to build. Mechana, can we do it? We
Animal Mechanical can!
Cow Castle Hassle.
Animal Mechanical mission time!
Good morning, Animal Mechanicals.
Good morning, Island Owl.
Very big mission today.
We're ready.
Great.
Your destination is Cow Castle Island. The Cow Castle needs your help to get across the Pop Rocket cornfield to the green grassy meadow on the other side.
Help a cow castle across a field? No problem for Animal Mechanicals.
You'll need to be very careful. Don't walk in the Pop Rocket cornfield. Always stay on the path.
Don't walk in the cornfield and stay on the path. Got it.
Animal Mechanicals, your mission is to help a cow castle cross a field. Mechana, can you do it?
We Animal Mechanical can!
Let's go!
Yes!
Rawr! Cow Castle Island.
Whoa! That is a very big cow, castle.
She looks hungry.
She ate up all her grass.
How can we move her to the green grassy meadow?
We have to think.
I have a better idea. Let's go, cow. Move! Get it? Cows, move!
Oh my goodness! She's growing!
Well, the cow's moving.
Let's go! Animal Mechanicals on a mission.
Animal Mechanicals on a mission!
Ow.
Can I lead the cow? Can I?
Okay, Mouse.
Yay!
Sure.
Goody! I'm the leader! Which way should I go?
Why are we stopping?
It appears we are in some sort of maze.
A pop rocket corn maze.
How are we going to find our way out?
We could eat our way out. This pop rocket corn looks yummy.
Rex, remember, the island owl said don't walk in the cornfield.
And stay on the path.
Right.
But which way is the path?
If I could see over the top of the maze, then I'd be able to find the way out.
No one's tall enough to see over this corn.
Someone is, if they stretch.
Ha! Who could stretch that high? Wait a minute. I could stretch and see. The mighty Sasquatch! Macana Stretchy!
Stretchy like a big rubber monkey.
Do you see the way out of the maze, Sasquatch?
That way! Let's move, cow! Move! Get it? Cows, move!
I never get to be the leader.
Don't worry, Mouse. One day, I know you'll lead.
Yummy corn. Yummy in my tummy corn. It won't hurt to have just one piece. Then right back on the path. Yum, yum. Yum, yum. Yum, yum. Or maybe I better just run away! Pop rocket corn launch! Take cover!
I think they've stopped.
Curious. What made them launch?
I walked in the field. Shouldn't have done that. Always do what the island owl says. Lesson learned.
That's okay.
Look! The path is blocked by pop rocket corn.
It's gonna take us all day to move all this corn out of the way.
9 hours, 7 minutes, and 8 seconds, to be precise.
The cow wants to get to the grassy meadow.
If we had a giant shovel, we could scoop it away.
Mouse, do any of us look like we have a giant shovel?
I'm the animal mechanical for this job, Rex! McKenna Strong!
Strong as a titanium tyrannosaurus.
I love to watch Rex shovel stuff.
Path clear to the grassy meadow.
She sees the grass.
The cow castle is going to run into the gate.
Someone needs to catch her.
No one's fast enough to catch that cow.
There is someone.
Who? Oh, me! Right, I can be fast. Mouse! McKenna fast!
Go, Mouse, go!
Yeah! Oh, she's fast!
Fast like a rocket.
Open the gate, Mouse! Yeah!
The cow's in the meadow.
She's hungry.
We helped the cow castle get to the grassy meadow. Thanks to our great leader, Mouse.
Yeah!
Animal mechanicals, mission accomplished. Time to eat!
I never had pop rocket corn before.
It does look tasty.
Looks like we have some Pop Rocket popcorn to catch. McKenna, can we do it? We animal